In this how-to guide, we show you just how easy fitting your new bidet can be. And remember, always consult a professional if you aren't comfortable with more complicated DIY tasks. Start by placing the bidet in position and check that it's level. Now mark the outline of the bidet onto the wall. Next, mark and then drill the holes for the floor brackets. And remember to use the correct safety equipment when using tools. To fit the pop-up waist and rod, watch our how-to video here. And next is fitting the tap. A bidet tap is fitted in the same way as a basin tap. You can see how we fit those here. Now fit the trap to the underside of the waist. Place the bidet against the wall and attach the tap connectors and waste pipe. Finish the installation by securing the bidet to the floor brackets and finally seal all joins with silicone. You can use tape to ensure a neat finish when sealing. For more handy how-to guides like this one, head over to our how-to playlist. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss new videos.